Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for that ultimate hydration boost that feels like a drink of water for your skin, then stick around. Today, we're reviewing a serum that's packed with powerful ingredients to keep your skin plump, dewy, and radiant, the Sesderma HIDRADERM HYAL Serum. It's designed to hydrate, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and protect your skin with the help of 3 types of hyaluronic acid. But does it actually live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. First, let's break down the essentials of this product. The Sesderma HIDRADERM HYAL Serum is a highly hydrating face serum formulated specifically for combination skin types. With the inclusion of 3 types of hyaluronic acid, it aims to deeply hydrate and replenish the skin, making it feel smooth, nourished, and protected. The serum has a lightweight texture and features an aloe-based scent that's fresh and calming. It's also packed with antioxidants to help diminish wrinkles over time, making it a solid contender for anyone looking to tackle those fine lines and achieve that sought-after glow. When I first tested this serum, I noticed how easily it absorbed into my skin. No heavy or greasy feel, just a refreshing, almost cooling sensation. It didn't take long for my skin to drink it up, leaving behind a smooth and hydrated surface. I've been using this serum both in the morning and evening, layering it under my moisturizer and sunscreen during the day, and as a nighttime boost in my evening skin routine. Now, as with any skincare product, results can take time. After a few days of using this serum, my skin definitely felt more moisturized and my complexion looked fresher. The fine lines around my eyes appeared softened, but it wasn't a drastic change. For someone who's looking for instant results, this might not deliver that immediate wow factor, but with continued use, you could definitely see improvements over time. There's always a balance when it comes to skincare, so let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, this serum is excellent for hydration. My skin felt moisturized but not weighed down, and it's light enough to layer with other products without feeling like it's clogging pores. The antioxidant benefits are a huge plus, offering extra protection against environmental stressors. The aloe scent is subtle, which is perfect for anyone sensitive to stronger fragrances. On the flip side, while it delivers moisture, the wrinkle-diminishing effects are more subtle, so don't expect immediate dramatic results in that area. Additionally, the price point may be a bit high for some, considering it's a 1.0 phthalates bottle, and there are other serums with similar hydration benefits at a more affordable cost. Now, let's talk about value. Given that Sesderma is a reputable brand known for its clinical-grade formulations, the price is justified if you're looking for something that delivers superior hydration and includes antioxidant protection. However, if you're just looking for a basic hydrating serum without the frills, you might find more budget-friendly options that still get the job done. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional, with a dropper that makes it easy to control how much product you dispense. There's no waste, and it keeps the serum fresh until the last drop. As for longevity, the serum doesn't promise instant miracles. It's about consistent use over time to see those fine lines soften and skin get that healthy, plump look. With daily use, this bottle should last a solid amount of time, even though it's a smaller size. I haven't had direct contact with customer support for this product, but Sesderma is known for its reliable customer service. If you have questions or concerns, I'm confident their team would provide helpful assistance. If you're considering alternatives, there are plenty of hyaluronic acid serums out there, such as the Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid Serum or Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum, which are often more affordable but still offer a decent amount of hydration. The difference, however, lies in the complexity of Sesderma's formulation, with the inclusion of multiple types of hyaluronic acid for deeper penetration. So, what's the final verdict? The Sesderma HIDRADERM HYAL Serum is a solid product for anyone looking to hydrate their skin, especially if you want something that also offers antioxidant protection and the potential to soften fine lines over time. It's lightweight, hydrating, and doesn't feel greasy. But if you're on a budget or seeking more immediate wrinkle-reducing results, you might want to consider other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did it work wonders for you? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.